Shadow X range.
Okay, and this is pretty new, this range.
Yep, only came out about 6 shows ago.
Okay. And this is this a 16 foot?
This
No.
is 16 foot, yes.
Gosh, it's a lot bigger than my 12 foot, isn't it? Here's my little one over here. Look, isn't she gorgeous? Okay, so pull out kitchen. And I've got to say, I love the way the kitchens pull out this way. A lot of them pull out horizontal or at 90 degrees.
Yes.
And for someone who is not really strong or more mature,
yep.
it's quite a pull.
It's a lot of weight.
Whereas this is lovely, and I just think it's much better for cooking, that you're more protected. That's very good thinking, yes, excellent.
So our larger vans, it does pull out at 90 degrees.
Right.
We utilise that storage for it to come out.
Right, okay.
So you're not shooting too much space.
Yeah. What do you have you no idea of the weight of this one?
Not off the top of my head.
Okay,
no.
I'll ask her after. Right, fantastic. And this one's a little fantail, so that looks the size of mine, but it says it's a fantail.
So that is the same as yours.
Right.
We've done 2 of them to New Zealand. It was the third to go
Oh,
to New
that's the
Zealand.
fantail, okay. Right, that's where I've heard about it. Right, okay, excellent. While I was there, I got a new Dio 35 hitch, and it's absolutely fantastic. Made such a difference. Thanks again, everybody at MyDream. Had a great visit.